Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to reset root password. If you forget your password and how to reset it. Let's see how to do that. So first of all, you have to start your machine, and as soon as your machine boot up, select the second option, press Q and press E, and go to the end of the line which start from line X16. Just press end button from your keyboard to go to the end of the line and put rd.break and press Ctrl+x. So once you enter into the prompt, you have to remount your file system first into read write mode by using command mount-o re remount read write sysroot. Now change the directory to the sysroot by using chroot command. Now change your password here by using passwd command. Give your new password. Okay. Now before rebooting your machine, you have to create one file that is called autorelabel by using touch command. Touch relabel. This will need to make sure that SE Linux allows the file system changes. This will give the signals to the system on your next reboot that file system has changed and your password will be updated. So let's create this file, autorelabel, and exit from here and exit again. Now wait for some time. It may take some time based on your file system. If the size of file system will be more, then it may take some more time. So here, okay, now just verify whether your password is changed or not. Just by login by root user and give your changed password. Okay, so my password is got changed and I'm able to log in. You can change by ID command, so you can see I'm logged in as a root. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, let me know. Thank you very much.